Hi guys, in today's video I make a quick review of this new Niagara effect, Dissolve Niagara effect. I'll show you here. This effect is based of my old material, the material that I showed you a few months ago here in Dissolve Mat 2 folder. And based of this material I try to create a new Niagara system. I like this effect to look very magical, and this is what I get. Let me show you the Niagara system and the material for this effect. I will start with the Niagara system. As you can see, we have a few layers. In the first and in the second one I use base mesh. We can change this mesh, of course. We can use any other mesh we like. It's very important to have this geometry in the center of the grid and to have a proper size of the object, because if the object is too big, we will need to change all parameters of all other layers, because as you can see right now they are connected, they are relative to the object. So in the first layer, as I say, I have this base geometry which we can change, and this material, this is a very simple material. You can find it again here in the same folder. The folder is Content Assets Diagram 001 Particle Dissolve Mat 2, and here is our Niagara system and material for this system. I make a copy of this base mesh, but you can, as I say, use any other mesh, any other object. Okay, now the material is called, first material is called SwirlDissolve. It's a simple material. As always, as always in my materials, I use only one. I use just a noise map, black and white noise map, and I create a few dynamic parameters here and here, which one we can randomize and control from here, from Niagara effect, from Niagara system. So this is our first material. As you can see, we don't use any color here, any color. So the color of our material coming from here, from the particles, initial particles. And this is our first layer with our base mesh and base dissolve material. The second layer make this energy looking waves here. Again, I use the base mesh. If we like to change the mesh, we need to change it here and here. If we like to put here some character or some object, we need to change here, here, and also here in the last few layers, but I will talk about a bit later. So now we have the second layer with the base mesh and with the new material. This is Swirl Energy. Again, very simple material with only one noise map and few dynamic parameters to control and randomize inside the Niagara system from here. This is our first two layers. The next layer I called sparks. This is a sparks on the ground. We can change direction, we can make whatever we want, but I like this one, so I use it. This is a particle in the circle on the ground. The next one is almost same, but the particle move faster and have a bit of drag outside of the center of the circle. In this layer I use only material color, only particle color. There is no material. The next layer is, let me see, yes, the next layer is this particle that rise from the ground, born from the ground, from the circle on the ground, and rise and disappear in the air. This is our next layer. Next one is this smoke ribbon. For this ribbon I use material for my card projectile, one of the materials in the card projectile that create a smoke, and I render a ribbon here. The next layer is this magical circle on the ground. These two actually are the same. This is the same, but here I use the particle color. Here I use one of my card projectiles material to create this smoke effect on the ground. And these two layers, I will talk a little bit more. Here we have again static mesh. This is our base mesh, because this is a particle and ribbon which are born from the mesh and are very close to our base mesh, as you can see. These particles are born not from the circle on the ground, but for the base mesh, also disappearing in the air. Ribbon move around the object. This ribbon is not connected with the circle, like this one, for example. And I think that this is all. We have this, in my opinion, very beautiful magic effect of disintegration of object. If you like it, I will be very happy to have some feedback for this effect and this material. So I think that this is all. If you have any question, I'm here, and will be give you answer as fast as I can. Have a nice day. That's all for me for today.